Hi, thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Now you're shopping around, you're thinking about doing this business, but now you're hearing these lead times are about 9 to 10 months for a new build among some of our nearest competitors. And we're doing our best to speed things up here. Obviously, we're half that lead time on a new build, but we do have a few nice options here that could save you some money as well. We have certified used demo units. We are a manufacturer of these trucks, so we can take these trucks, recertify them, still offer you a 1-year limited warranty. Again, we're talking low miles on the vehicle, low hours on the generator. It's like you're buying a new truck at a discounted price. Once you work with our team on logo designs and the custom wrap, you could get out to work in the next couple weeks. So give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. Again, this is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.
My name is Carlos Vasquez. I'm with California EcoWash. I've been in business for about 4 years now. EcoWash Industries has been with me for all 4 years. Whenever I have a question, whenever I need a part ordered, whenever I need repairs done, they're there for me. Any questions about commercial accounts, I call Greg or Betsy and they're able to help me out and answer all my questions. My advice to anyone that wants to get in the business is come talk to Greg or Betsy, give them a call. They'll answer any of your questions, help you better understand what the business is about, and go from there.